There comes a moment in a Sigma empath's life when something subtle but irreversible shifts inside them, the moment they stop caring whether people like them. It doesn't happen out of anger, rebellion, or bitterness. It happens because they finally see how much of their life was shaped by expectations, emotional labor, and the fear of disappointing others. And when that fear dies, what rises in its place is a version of them the world is rarely prepared for: calm, unbothered, and completely untouchable. The people around them feel the shift instantly, even if they can't explain it. It's the quiet confidence of someone who no longer needs permission to exist. They begin speaking less and observing more. They say no without guilt. They walk away from relationships that drain them instead of negotiating their worth. And the strange thing is, when they stop trying to be liked, people suddenly pay attention. Because a Sigma empath, without the burden of pleasing others, sees everything with brutal clarity: who respects them, who uses them, who drains them, and who actually deserves a place in their life. This is the phase where their intuition sharpens, their boundaries harden, and their presence becomes something people cannot ignore or control. Before we continue, I want you to reflect on something. Have you ever felt yourself pulling back from people, not out of anger, but out of clarity? Tell me in the comments. And if you're still watching, type "I choose myself," so I know you're one of the rare viewers who understands this transformation. Make sure to subscribe to Brainy Empath, because the next part will reveal the exact psychological shift that happens when a Sigma empath stops performing for approval and starts living for truth. They stop molding themselves to fit expectations and start acting from authenticity. When a Sigma empath reaches the point where being liked is no longer a priority, the shift is immediate and unmistakable. They stop bending themselves into shapes that make other people comfortable, and instead they return to the core of who they were before the world taught them to shrink. It feels less like rebellion and more like a quiet homecoming, a moment when they finally choose truth over approval. The transformation starts internally. They stop scanning every room for emotional temperatures, stop adjusting their tone to avoid discomfort, stop carrying responsibility for other people's impressions. What emerges is a version of them that is steady, unfiltered, and deeply self-directed. They speak with clarity instead of caution, act from conviction instead of fear, and move in ways that no longer ask permission. This authenticity doesn't make them louder, it makes them more precise. They choose their words deliberately, their boundaries confidently, their connections intentionally. People notice the difference immediately because the emotional contortion they used to perform is gone. There is no more chasing harmony, no more softening truths, no more diminishing themselves to appear agreeable. They stand in their full height, not in arrogance, but in alignment. And this alignment sends a ripple through every relationship they touch. Those who valued them for their compliance quietly fade away. Those who value them for their integrity move closer. The Sigma empath doesn't resist either outcome. For the first time, they allow life to sort itself without their interference. What makes this shift so powerful is that it's irreversible. Once they taste the freedom of authenticity, they understand how much energy they wasted trying to be palatable. Now they preserve that energy for their purpose, their healing, and the rare people who meet them with the same honesty they offer. They stop explaining their choices, letting their actions speak for them. When a Sigma empath no longer cares to be liked, one of the first things they abandon is the exhausting habit of explaining themselves. They stop offering justifications to people who were never listening with the intention of understanding in the first place. Instead of trying to make their decisions digestible, they simply make them. A quiet confidence takes over, the confidence of someone who finally recognizes that clarity needs no defense. Their choices become statements, not conversations. Their direction becomes intentional, not negotiated. And without the weight of seeking approval, they move with a kind of calm decisiveness that unsettles people who once relied on their softness to sway them. In this new state, silence becomes their language of certainty. They don't argue. They don't convince. They don't seek validation. They act. And it's in that action that others start to realize the depth of their resolve. Where they once over-explained to avoid conflict or disappointment, now they simply walk the path they choose. If someone misunderstands them, they let it be. If someone feels offended by their boundaries, they accept it as the cost of self-respect. For the Sigma Empath, the absence of explanation is not coldness, it is maturity. It is trusting themselves more than the opinions orbiting around them. And while some people will feel threatened by this shift, the Sigma Empath doesn't waver. They understand that the right people don't require explanations to stay, and the wrong people won't stay even with 1,000 explanations. Their choices become cleaner. Their relationships become clearer. And their life begins to flow in alignment with their truth rather than the expectations of others. They become immune to guilt-tripping, pressure, and emotional manipulation. This is the moment when a Sigma Empath's inner switch flips and every tactic that once worked on them suddenly loses its power. The guilt-tripping that used to pull them back, it lands flat. The emotional pressure that once made them overextend, it dissolves before it can take hold. The subtle manipulation that once slipped under their radar, they now see it in real time, as clearly as watching someone pull strings in slow motion. What changed isn't their heart, it's their threshold. They've felt the consequences of giving too much, forgiving too quickly, and absorbing pain that was never theirs. And now, their mind refuses to let those patterns repeat. In this phase, emotional manipulation becomes almost boring to them, predictable, transparent, and beneath their attention. They don't argue with it, they don't protest it, and they certainly don't try to fix the person using it. They simply withdraw their energy and let the tactic collapse under its own emptiness. Guilt no longer hooks them because they finally understand the difference between responsibility and emotional blackmail. Pressure no longer intimidates them because they've lived through the cost of abandoning themselves to satisfy others. And manipulation? It barely grazes them now, because the moment intentions shift, their intuition alerts them like a siren in quiet fog. What makes this transformation so unsettling to others is how calm it looks. They don't fight back, they disengage. They don't explain why, they just stop participating. And in that quiet immunity, the balance of power changes instantly. People who once counted on their emotional softness realize they've lost their influence. And the Sigma Empath, for the first time, feels untouchable, not because they've hardened, but because they've learned. They set boundaries without hesitation, even if it disappoints others. This is the shift that startles people the most. A Sigma Empath who once softened every edge, who once bent themselves into impossible shapes to avoid hurting anyone, suddenly becomes someone who draws a clear line and doesn't flinch while doing it. There is no trembling voice, no over-explanation, no emotional apology woven into the decision. Just a quiet, steady certainty. They've learned that every time they allowed someone to cross a boundary, they were teaching that person how to treat them. And now they refuse to repeat that lesson. The boundary isn't about punishment, it's about self-respect, about finally choosing their own well-being over someone else's comfort. When they set this boundary, they understand it might disappoint people, even anger them. But that emotional reaction no longer controls them. They have lived through the consequences of prioritizing others, and it cost them pieces of themselves they are no longer willing to lose. They've felt the exhaustion that comes from giving too much and asking for too little. So their boundary becomes a form of emotional survival, a necessary filter separating genuine connections from those built on convenience, dependency, or expectation. And once established, the line stays firm. What shocks others is how effortlessly they enforce it. There is no debate, no guilt, no negotiation. If someone pushes, they meet silence. If someone demands access, they meet distance. And if someone tries to manipulate the boundary, they meet a calm, unmovable no. This version of the Sigma Empath is not cold, they are clear. And clarity is a power most people are not prepared to face. They walk away from draining relationships without giving warnings or closure. When a Sigma Empath reaches the point where being liked no longer matters, their exits become quiet, clean, and final. They don't announce their departure, they don't ask for understanding, and they don't offer long emotional explanations to soften the impact. They simply recognize the truth. The relationship has been draining them far more than it has been nourishing them. And once that realization settles in, their soul refuses to negotiate. They have already spent months, sometimes years, trying, giving, adapting, absorbing, understanding. The moment they see those efforts have only kept them stuck in an emotional loop, they disconnect internally long before their physical absence becomes visible. By the time they leave, the goodbye has already happened inside them. What makes their departure so striking is the absence of drama. There is no explosion, no confrontation, no final attempt at repair. Just a disappearing softness, a pulling back of their emotional light. People notice it too late. They sense the silence before they understand its meaning. And this silence is not spiteful, it is self-preservation stamped into action. The Sigma Empath has learned that closure rarely comes from the person who hurt them, and waiting for it only drains them further. So they walk away before bitterness grows roots. They leave without warning because the relationship ended the moment they realized they were the only one holding it together. This quiet exit hits harder than any spoken goodbye. It forces the other person to confront the very behaviors the empath once absorbed, the imbalance, the neglect, the subtle selfishness. It leaves a vacuum where the empath's emotional labor used to be. And in that vacuum, the truth becomes unmistakable. The Sigma Empath doesn't leave to punish, they leave because staying would be a betrayal of themselves. They attract more respect because indifference replaces the need for approval. Something powerful happens when a Sigma Empath stops caring whether people like them. Their presence changes. The softness that once sought harmony becomes a steady, grounded calm that doesn't bend to please anyone. And people feel that shift instantly. Indifference for a Sigma Empath isn't coldness, it is clarity. It is the moment they decide their worth is not dependent on someone's validation, reaction, or comfort. They no longer adjust themselves to keep the room balanced or sacrifice their own truth to avoid tension. Instead, they stand firm, composed, and unapologetically themselves. This new energy forces others to interact with them differently. The people who once relied on their empathy as a cushion suddenly feel the absence of emotional accommodation, and instead of interpreting it as weakness, they sense authority. Sigma Empaths don't raise their voice or demand attention, they simply refuse to chase it. That refusal alone alters every dynamic around them. Those who undervalued them begin to notice their absence. Those who took advantage of them start to rethink their behavior. People who once assumed power over them feel the balance shift. Respect grows not because the Sigma Empath asks for it, but because they stop trying to earn it. Their indifference becomes a form of presence, quiet, unwavering, impossible to manipulate. When approval no longer becomes the currency they trade in, they move differently. They say less but mean more. They choose carefully, detach cleanly, and protect fiercely. And people read that as strength, because it is. A Sigma Empath who doesn't care to be liked radiates a confidence that can't be faked. They attract respect because they finally respect themselves enough not to need anything else. They gain a level of inner peace that makes them untouchable to external judgment. There comes a moment in a Sigma Empath's evolution when the noise of the world stops reaching them, not because they escape it, but because something inside them settles so deeply that outside opinions lose their power. This inner peace isn't fragile or soft. It's forged from everything they've survived, every betrayal they've processed alone, every moment they were misunderstood yet kept moving forward. When they reach this state, judgment becomes background static. They hear it, but it doesn't touch them. People sense this shift. The same criticisms that once caused them to overthink now slide off effortlessly. They no longer contort themselves to fit expectations or shrink to avoid attention. They stop defending their choices or justifying their path. Their decisions become quiet, decisive, and grounded in self-trust. And nothing destabilizes them because they are no longer seeking approval or permission. Their calm becomes their shield, impenetrable, steady, and unbothered. This inner peace also changes how they engage with the world. They don't rush to respond, don't react impulsively, don't absorb emotional chaos that doesn't belong to them. It's not detachment, it's mastery. The kind of mastery that makes others wonder how they remain composed when everyone else is shaken. They've learned that judgment only hurts when you question your own worth. Once that question disappears, the judgments do too. This is the moment a Sigma Empath becomes untouchable, unshakable, unmoved by the shifting opinions of people who were never meant to define them. Their peace is not silence, it is power, and everyone around them feels it. When a Sigma Empath reaches this point of inner peace, the world doesn't lose them. They simply stop negotiating their worth. They live quieter, clearer, and freer than ever before. And the people who once misunderstood them finally realize they weren't withdrawing. They were evolving. If you felt something shift in you while listening, that's not an accident. That's your intuition recognizing its own reflection. Before you go, answer this in the comments. Which part of your life are you finally ready to protect without apologizing for it? I choose my peace, if you watched until the end, so I know you're one of the rare Sigma Empaths who truly understands this transformation. And if you want more videos that speak directly to your mind, your intuition, and your evolution, subscribe now. You'll regret missing what comes next.